coronary artery disease, that means chest pressure, shortness of breath, lack of energy, tiredness, listlessness.
How do you know, okay, so let's say you're suffering from these. Obviously, you should go to your doctor and find out what exactly is going on first, right?
That's right. Well, most of our patients have already gone through the whole gamut of treatments. They may have had stenting, they may have had coronary artery bypass graft surgery, or there may be too much risk to have these treatments.
Well, that's exactly what happened to Ray, and we're going to talk about it because many people know if you have coronary heart disease, sometimes they put in these stents. But some people cannot have that operation, and that was your experience, right, Ray?
Yes, the doctor told me right after I had my angiogram that putting a stent in, they were afraid they were going to perforate my heart. So I was very happy they didn't try to put that in.
So now this procedure has helped you tremendously because you were saying just last week you couldn't even get out of the chair.
That's correct. In order to get out of a chair, I had to push myself up. Now I can do it just with my legs, like a normal person.
Okay.
It's phenomenal.
So now people want to know, how does this work and what is it?
Well, this is an outpatient procedure. Patient lies on a treatment bed.
We're looking at it now.
Pneumatic cuffs are placed on his legs and thighs.
What are pneumatic cuffs?
Very similar to a blood pressure cuff.
Okay.
Most people have had their blood pressure taken.
I see.
Similar to a blood pressure cuff.
Now it looks painful, doctor. We're watching this right now. Is it painful at all?
I think the first treatment may be uncomfortable, but patients get used to this very, very quickly.
Ray, did you find it to be uncomfortable?
The first time it's a little bit uncomfortable, but I sleep through the procedure now.
You've gotten used to it.
I'm bored.
Okay, so now this goes on because it's compressing the legs and pushing the blood towards the heart.
That's right. The blood flow in the aorta, which is the large artery of the body, is actually reversed. Normally the blood goes from the heart to the peripheries, to the legs. Now, for a split second, the blood's going back towards the heart. The blood cannot get into the heart because at that phase of that compression, the heart is resting and the valve is closed. So the blood is forced into the coronary arteries. The coronary arteries are the arteries which supply blood to the heart.
Okay, so now how does that work? For example, we see what's happening, but how does it benefit the patient, a patient like Ray?
Well, this increases the blood supply in the arteries of the heart, and hormones are released which encourage the formation of a collateral circulation. A collateral circulation means it's a bypass circulation. It's like a natural circulation.
I was doing some reading on this, obviously, before we went into the interview, and they were saying they're not exactly positive how this works, but it does work, and it's FDA approved.
Absolutely.
The government has approved this procedure.
It's approved by the FDA, and it's approved by all major insurance companies.
Beautiful. Now, how many sessions typically does someone need?
A patient usually has 35 sessions. 35. It's 5 days a week for 7 weeks.
And how long is each session?
Each session is 1 hour.
So you can schedule it, let's say in the morning, go in for an hour, and after 35 sessions, what happens? Are you done? Now, you went through this, right, once before?
Yes. It takes about 2 years, and then I need it again. This has been 4 years, actually. It's phenomenal. I'm going to tell you a little story.
Okay.
My third treatment, okay? I'm down the cellar carrying up clothes. Every time I used to walk up the stairs, I'd be out of breath just to see what I could do. And I'm not kidding. The third treatment, I ran up the stairs.
Well, be careful there.
I ran up the stairs just to see what I could do. Now, I'm not saying my heart wasn't running faster.
No, but you felt such a difference. And if people want to find if people want to find out more about this, it's very easy to go to VascuFlow, 2470 Walden Avenue at Suite 300 in Cheektowaga. You can call them. But if you'd like to find out more and read about it online, you can log on to their website. It's vascuflow.com. It's very interesting. Doctor and Ray, thank you so much for joining us this morning. And good health to you, Ray. Continue.
I keep getting this, I'm going to live forever.
Yeah, well, don't run up those stairs. We have a tip now for you from the Hillside family of agencies. And well, you may have seen the commercials on it, but what exactly is VascuFlow? VascuFlow is a non-invasive procedure that can help some people, with coronary heart disease. Joining me now to talk about it more is Dr. Leon Levinsky and also Ray Drexel, who is a patient of VascuFlow. Good morning to both of you, and thank you for joining me.
Good morning.
What exactly, we've seen the commercials, this compression. What is it and how does it work, doctor?
Well, this is a non-invasive treatment for people who have symptomatic coronary artery disease.
Let's break that down for the layman here. What's that?
People who have symptoms of